How you going, folks? Just want to have a quick chat about the Zagg Rugged Bluetooth keyboard I bought a few weeks or a couple of months ago now. iPad Air 2. Good unit, pretty happy with it, all in all. It says rugged and it is rugged, however, a couple of things that, well, one major problem with this is the hinge that's on. I'm not the only person to have had this trouble. A few people have had this trouble I have since found since doing some research. So what happens is you go to open it. I'll disconnect it, it'll be easy to see. You go to open it, and as you can see, the hinge pops away from the housing. If I actually hold it together and then go to close it, it will actually shut itself. Yeah, so as I was saying, it's all clipped together like that, and one goes to open. It's a bit hard to see, but what's actually happening is it will actually open. You might see a bit of a separation there, just in where the hinge is. I'll take this here off again. When you go to close it, you have a look what happens to the hinge in here. It actually lifts up. What's happening is underneath that raised part there is a hinge, and there are two screws that have come away. And the only way that you can successfully close the unit is to hold it together with your fingers tight, and then close that latch there, and then slide the cover back on, which is completely useless. So I have been in touch with Zagg, and they assured me they'll get it fixed or get a replacement. Now if you're thinking, oh, I'll watch a video and I'll see if I can find a way to fix this, forget it. You can't, because this rubber backing here is a one fix only, i.e. it's been glued on, it's set on with a special glue, and you try and get that off to get to the two screws which are right underneath here, two little tiny screws. You try and remove it and you're going to destroy it. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's a bit hard to see, but that's the problem. So we need to take this here off to do the two screws up, and I'll be bothered if I know where the screws have gone. The other side seems to be okay at this stage. As I said, it's probably been opened 200 times probably, so I'm not sure if it's a design fault or a bit of a fault with my unit being a lemon, so a bit of a pain. It's a good keyboard, everything works well with it. It is rugged. It does protect your Air 2 quite well, as long as you can shut the lid properly. So what I'll be doing now is sending it back to Zagg, and hopefully getting another one. So there you have it, Zagg Rugged Book Air 2, durable tablet keyboard and detachable case. Not quite as durable as I thought. Okay, stay tuned guys, I'll let you know how I get on with Zagg. Alright, thanks for watching, chat to you soon, bye for now.